Check out this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.